Hello everyone, lovely to see you all again today from seeing you this morning at presentation assembly. But now we've got our golden tickets and our last golden ticket before we break up for half term. And it was really lovely to see all those children getting those certificates this morning at presentation assembly. So really well done you guys. But these are for the children now who've been working super hard as well this week and have earned themselves the golden ticket. And obviously you can see it's Friday the 23rd of October and we're starting off with nursery reception, year 1, year 2 and the SRB for all those children who have really just been outstanding all week long. We're going to start in nursery. And nursery, we're starting with 2, we've got AM and PM. So first child has been really helpful around the classroom. He's excited to learn and share his ideas. This child is always kind to other children and is a friend to all who need it. He gets on with his learning without any fuss and always tries his best. And both these boys are just really friendly, super smashing great. Golden tickets go to Max and Jack. Well done Max and well done Jack, you superstars, really well deserved. You are so lovely, you're so kind, you're such good friends, really good at sharing, really good at playing and always really smiley faces. So really well done Max and well done Jack. Well deserved. Mr. Allen will be bringing around these and you'll take them home this afternoon with a special treat as well to enjoy over half term. Well done boys. Moving on to Turtle class. Now in Turtle class you'll see this child has had a wonderful start to reception. She follows routines, is a kind and caring friend and always listens when we are doing our learning. Always listening and has magnet eyes because I know they use that a lot. Wow, this golden ticket goes to Naya Jade. Here she is, look at her. Look at that beautiful handwriting there, already set to learn and a beautiful smiley face. And every morning I see her, she always has such a smiley face and a hello for me as well. So really well done Naya. And maybe you can share again your treats when you take them home today. Well done and well deserved. Proud of you. Moving on to the Sharks. Look at the Sharks. Our golden ticket winner this week is for her fantastic innovation in Hand of Surprise. They've been working on Hand of Surprise, learning that story, retelling it over and over again and changing it and innovating it. And this child has done a brilliant job and it goes to Elizabeth. Here she is. Look, here she is with Hand of Surprise. You can see the story maps all out there. She has been brilliant at innovating that and making up her own story. Well done, Elizabeth. Really well deserved, hun. I am so proud of you. Enjoy your treats and maybe you can share them with Mummy and Daddy. Well done, hun. Enjoy. Moving on. In Miss Marshall's class, here we go, year 1. Look, this child is my golden ticket winner this week because she has been working hard and made so much progress in her reading. She is trying hard at home, on her way to school and in the classroom. I can ask for no more. Mr. Allen could ask for no more of this girl and it goes to Lexie. There she is. Well done Lexie. Amazing. Writing out all of your numbers as well and beautifully forming those numbers as well. Huge congratulations, you really deserve this. So proud of you, bringing it around later with some treats as well, which you can enjoy later on this evening. So well done Lexie, you superstar. Moving on, here we go, Miss Begum's class. You'll see this person always works hard in their learning. They are friendly, show respect towards their friends and teachers in school. We're talking a lot about showing respect this week and that was part of Mr. Allen's assembly, so well done. They are sensible and follow the school rules. And she's always smiling. She's always smiling. Every teacher will always tell you she's always got a big beaming smile on her face. It goes to Sophie. Here she is. Look, whatever she is doing, she is always smiling. Sophie, you truly deserve it. You are an absolute superstar. You always brighten up my day with your lovely smile. So really well done. Enjoy your treats. And again, maybe you can share it with Mummy and Daddy as well. So well done, Sophie. Proud of you. Moving on, here we go. Look, Miss Hawkins in year 2, this child is constantly making the right choices. She's always looking, listening and following instructions first time, setting a real example for everyone else. She's been building her confidence and is contributing to class learning much more. She is an excellent reader and has been reading at least 5 times per week, and that's Mr. Allen's target. Read as often as you possibly can. But not only that, if you want to win the golden ticket, copy this girl because it goes to Sky. Look at her there, absolutely superb. If you copy Sky, who knows, you could be winning the golden ticket, but really well deserved, Sky. I'm loving your bread as well, around the Great Fire of London. Thomas Fariner, there he is, baking his bread in his bakery. So really well done, well deserved. And again, enjoy your treats. Maybe you can share them with Mummy and Daddy as well. Well done, Sky, proud of you. Now, Mrs. Cook, this golden ticket goes to a child who's doing super hard work at home and school. Always got his hand up and has lots to offer. reads at least 5 times a week, again, reading every single day at home, and 100% attendance, again, can ask for no more. Well done, Jacob! Really well done, buddy. I'm so proud of you. Maybe you can share your treats when you get home, eh? Hopefully, that'd be good. And here you are, look, working scientifically. I know how much you love science as well. There you are with the bread as well, and then your Minecraft little figure. So really well done, buddy. I'm so proud of you. Enjoy your treats. Maybe as well, you can share them with Ava. Hey, okay? See you later. Well done, buddy. Now, the SRB. Here we go. He's always cheerful, has a very positive attitude, is quick to put lots of effort into his work, and is very helpful. Always sharing the load. And every morning when he comes on off the taxi from that long journey, he's always got a big smile on his face. Well done to Aaron. Well done, Aaron. You absolute superstar. There he is, look, working super hard at his maths. He's outside there in the nurture nook, here just helping others, positive attitude, great effort, and big smiley face. Well done, Aaron. Really well done, buddy. Enjoy your treats when you get them. Huge congratulations. Mr. Allen's bringing this round later for you to take home. Fantastic. Right, finally, thank you all for being respectful this week. That was the theme this week. Showing respect for everyone, showing respect for others, property, school, adults, and everyone, friends. So really well done this week. It's been a lovely week in school. It's a great way to finish this half term, which has been such a super half term. Thank you, everyone. Finally, obviously, just to repeat my message from this morning, it is half term. Today we break up, obviously at 3:15, and the children are back on Monday, the 2nd of November, with the gates open at 8:30. And my final message again is just thank you again for all of your support, everyone. All the children, all the parents, thank you, because without you, it couldn't be as brilliant as it is. Stay safe, keep washing your hands, keep face coverings on at any opportunity you possibly can, and keep that distance, that space if you can. And we'll see you all on Monday, the 2nd of November, all nice big smiles and ready to learn our second half of half term. Bye-bye, everyone.